that's going to piss a lot of people off on the internet.
So what can I do to increase recovery?
Increase recovery? So that's the thing. Don't stretch.
Rolling out?
No, doesn't do too much. It might decrease your pain. The problem is with rolling out, like, you know, the way I poke you is pretty quick and over with.
Yeah.
If you're like going into a deep massage for more than 2 minutes per muscle,
Yeah.
it's the same kind of thing with a stretch. It's just going to beat it into submission and shut it down, which is why you get that temporary pain relief, because everything's shut down, but you're not able to perform like you would. So rolling out, not so much. You already take creatine, right? That's like nutritionally, like really the number one thing, other than the illegal stuff, which I do not recommend. Right, Mom? Yeah, no steroids. But sleep, how much sleep are you getting?
Yeah.
You should be getting, I mean, you're 15, you should be getting like 16 hours of sleep a day.
Some days I think you.
I was that age once, yeah, I guess. Yeah.
One day you won't be able to do it, so I guess take advantage.
Yeah. And then really in your case, because you're so active, how much protein are you taking in per day?
Lots.
Like, how much do you weigh?
100, right now, because I haven't been swimming, I'm like 165. I'm usually like 175, 180.
Okay. Are you getting in around 165, 170 grams of protein a day?
Yes.
You think so? Okay. That's a lot of times you're basically
Probably
maxing
a lot
it
more
out.
than that.
Oh wow, that is a lot. It might help to just get to 165. You're gonna max it out there, and then switch the rest out for carbs if you're really tracking that so closely. Carbs to an extent will help you recover because you're not gaining weight, like significant amounts of weight. So that's recovery-wise. But really, a lot of the other stuff is kind of just it's fancy fluff, you know, the rolling out, the dry needling.
That's what I was doing at my old physical therapist, dry needling.
They need dry needling. I used to do it. I don't anymore, just because thought process literally took me through. Okay, it's literally I'm just creating muscle damage by repeatedly traumatizing a spot, and your brain just like, holy cow, I give up, and that's what causes the pain relief. But the first time, what I find is actually like a lot of times the first time someone does it, it works really well just because of the placebo effect, and then second, third, fourth, like I don't get the same result just because it's not new anymore. So that's what I've found with that. So yeah, it's been 2 months there. This is the result, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm sorry to tell you, unfortunately, the body has limits. Creatine, get enough protein, sleep 8 hours, and then general easy movement. So, walking, literally.
Yeah.
Clearly, you're capable of more than that, but
Yeah.
that will help you just get your joints lubricated again, blood flowing to the best degree, because exercise is the best form of blood circulation.
Yeah, because my coaches.
It's been great. Yeah.
My coaches do like push rolling out on like a lot. Like
Yeah. You can do it. Just don't really try to crank on yourself too much.
does cupping do anything?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah. It will increase blood flow, but it's 10 times more effective than that. Any form of exercise. So yeah.
So like most of that stuff
Then
is
you
just
got
placebo.
Hickeys all over your back.
I know. Yeah.
So most of that stuff is just placebo.
For the most part. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If I find anything new that the science actually says so, I could let you know.
Okay.
But yeah, unfortunately, as of right now, it's not so much.